We're Faye and Matt Doyle, and we're photographers, filmmakers, and all terrain explorers. And the nature of what we do sees us heading off grid for days and sometimes weeks at a time.
The great outdoors has become like our second home, and we really cherish the time we get to spend in solitude in this big wide world we live in. The benefits of this time have been immense for our creativity.
And the power of solitude, where we can disconnect from our overly stimulated world, has had tremendous effects on our mental health. The idea that you can leave with a problem and come back head cleared with a solution in tow has been a huge game changer for us.
But the reality is that days spent in the wilderness working on projects means that power becomes a valuable resource for us. And being able to rely on the equipment we choose to take with us is as important as our trust in each other or our navigational skills.
If it wasn't for the enablement that our Powertraveller equipment has given us, we genuinely don't think we'd have been able to go as far or venture as deep into the wilderness as we have.
Enjoying the wilderness safely is all about eliminating as many risks as possible, and a huge part of that is knowing that the equipment you use is just going to work, without fail, every single time. And we have that kind of trust in Powertraveller.